Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you're watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this thoroughly to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of S&P 500 futures in different time frames. So friends, here you can see a daily chart of S&P 500 futures where you can see that how the S&P 500 futures have tested a low at the levels of 4028 on May 13, and since then we have seen a sharp upward move which continued on May 14 when the S&P 500 futures started the day on May 14th at the levels of 4158 and tested an high at 4197 and a low at 4140 and finally closed the day at 4194. So friends, here I find that currently the S&P 500 futures seems to be at a crucial juncture where it can move more upward from here, and the immediate resistance for S&P 500 futures will be at the levels of 4197. So friends, here I find that if the S&P 500 futures are able to sustain at the levels of 4195 during the upcoming week, we'll see the S&P 500 futures to test the next resistance at 4210, where S&P 500 futures could find stiff resistance. If we find the S&P 500 futures to move above the levels of 4210, a sharp sell-off could follow this move. So friends, here I find that the S&P 500 futures look ready for a volatile week ahead. So now let us check this move in a weekly time. So here in a weekly time frame, here you can see that how the S&P 500 futures showed a strong reversal after testing a low at the levels of 4020 during the last week, from where a steep reversal was there up to the levels of 4169. So friends, here I find that the immediate support for S&P 500 futures for the upcoming week will be at the levels of 4125, and the next support will be at the levels of 4029, where we have seen the S&P 500 futures to find a strong support. So friends, here I find that the S&P 500 futures could try to test the immediate resistance at the levels of 4210 during the upcoming week, where a sharp sell-off can be seen if the S&P 500 futures try to test the next resistance at the levels of 4238. So friends, here I find that this level between the levels of 4210 to 4238 will be a resistive zone for S&P 500 futures, where the S&P 500 futures could take a breakdown below the levels of 4020 during the upcoming week, where the next supporting level for S&P 500 futures will be at the levels of 3969. So friends, here I find that if the S&P 500 futures are not able to defend the immediate support for the upcoming week, which is at the levels of 4106, we'll see the S&P 500 futures to move towards the next support at the levels of 4040. So friends, here I find that the 9 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of 4040, would provide a strong support for S&P 500 futures, but I find that a breakdown below this level could push the S&P 500 futures towards the levels of 3959 during the upcoming week, where the S&P 500 futures could find some support, but a breakdown below this major support level at 3959, the S&P 500 futures could test new lows during the upcoming week. So friends, now let's check this move in a monthly time frame. So here in a monthly time frame, here you can see that how the S&P 500 futures have found a steep upward move from the levels of 2173, what the S&P 500 futures tested on March 23rd. Since then, we have seen a steep upward move in the S&P 500 futures, where the S&P 500 futures have finally tested a high at the levels of 4238 during this month and finally closed the last week at 4169. So here I find that this seems to be an advent of an exhaustive move. So friends, here I would like to zoom this for you. So here you can see that how the S&P 500 futures have tested the lower end of Ichimoku cloud during the month of March 2020. Since then, we have seen a strong upward move in the S&P 500 futures when the S&P 500 futures have finally tested an high at the levels of 4238 during the month of May 2021. But here you can see that the exhaustion seems to be evident here. So here you can see that how the S&P futures have been facing stiff resistance at the current levels. So here I find that the second half of this month could be very decisive for S&P futures, where I find that the S&P futures could see more exhaustion during the second half of this month, where the S&P futures could remain under heavy bearish pressure up to the levels of 4169, where I find that the S&P futures could find a steep downward move if it breaks down the immediate support at 4110. We'll see the S&P futures could break the recent support at 4028 during this month. So friends, here I find that if the S&P futures are not able to hold above this support during this month, we'll see the S&P futures could continue to take a sharp downward move during the upcoming months, where it can test the levels of 3667 during the upcoming month. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.